Hey there, and welcome to day number 2 of the 21 Days Start Again Yoga. So I'm really pumped about this. We are kicking it up a notch. Today is also a Sun Salutation, but yesterday we did Sun Salutation, the classic version. Today we're doing Sun Salutation A. So we are kicking it up a notch, meaning we're drawing some chaturangas in. Don't worry though, there are variations for you if you find that chaturanga is a bit of a stretch right now. Emphasis on the right now. Your body tomorrow may feel like if it actually wants that challenge, and the day next, it might decide it doesn't want it at all. So just be graceful with yourself and allow yourself to notice where your body's at and be inviting with your body. Let your body invite you as well. So it's this beautiful dance between what you want and what your body is wanting or capable of giving you at the moment. So right now, let's find a way all the way down onto our mats and let's reconnect. Feels so good. So from here, begin to draw your belly in towards your spine, lengthening out your spine towards the top of your head. Drawing those shoulders onto your back. And simply begin to notice your breath. Avoid the control of your breath. Just simply notice where it's at right now. Letting the sounds around you become a part of your practice. Allowing for your hips to become a little heavier. Feel the support of the earth beneath you, your mat. So you let yourself be held. Relaxing the muscles in your face, the muscles around your shoulders. Continue noticing your breathing. It's those short moments that can make all the difference in your day. Let this be one of them. Finding that sense of peace within you. Within the movement of prana. That life force energy that enters your body and moves its way up through your spine. Whatever it is that you are seeking today, just feel and notice and draw in a moment in which you felt that very same thing was already achieved and experienced. And when you have that sensation drawing right through your body, just take that mental snapshot. Sensations and emotions, feelings are so strong and powerful. And yet we always seem to want to push them to the side, push them away. Now, as you find yourself here, slowly begin to draw your hands together in front of your heart. Gently press your thumbs up against your chest. With your exhale, gently bow your head down towards your heart. It's a sign of respect for this practice and for yourself, for taking the time of nourishing your mind, nourishing your body. On your next inhale, slowly begin to lift your chin up. As you release your palms to your sides and blink your eyes open. As you come all the way up to standing, let's face the top of our mat. Coming into mountain pose. Placing your feet inner hip width distance apart, taking that gentle bend into both of your knees. Belly draws in, releasing your palms to your sides. This is Tadasana. This is mountain pose. Feeling super strong. That foundation of all our poses begin here. Tall and strong. With your next inhale, begin to reach your arms all the way up above, pressing your palms together. As you exhale, gentle bend into both of your knees, fold forward. Inhale, look forward, lengthening out your spine. Fingertips come onto your mat. With your exhale, fold. Really planting your palms down, spreading your fingers. As you exhale, step all the way back into a plank position. So high plank or low plank, it's totally up to you. With your next inhale, shift your weight forward, coming right onto your toes. As you exhale, bending into your elbows, drawing your elbows in towards your body into chaturanga. From here all the way down, placing your palms a little bit further down your back. Untuck your toes, pressing the tops of your feet on your mat, and when you're ready, lift up into upward facing dog. From here, you're reaching your chest forward, relaxing those shoulders onto your mat, onto your back, either keeping your thighs down or lift. And with your next inhale, moving back into downward facing dog. Gently rock from side to side here. Bending into one knee, bending into the other. Just allow some movement in your hips, keeping that connection of your shoulders, pressing your palms down. As you bend into both of your knees, look up at your hands, and when you're ready, step or jump forward into a forward fold. Exhale. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chin draws in. Come all the way up to standing, reaching your arms all the way up above as you press your palms together and bring your hands together in front of your heart. We'll do that again. Exhale, releasing your palms to your sides. Inhale, reaching your arms up above. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look forward. Option to place your palms over top of your shins, but avoid pressing onto your shins. Exhale as you fold. Inhale, stepping back into plank. Exhale fully here. On your next inhale, shift your weight forward. Exhale, lower for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release back down. Inhale, upward facing dog, relaxing those shoulders onto your back. So really relaxing those shoulders, reaching your chest forward. Inhale as you lift up, upward, downward facing dog. And gently rock from side to side. As you bend deeply into both of your knees, look up at your hands, step or jump forward, fold forward. Inhale, look forward. Exhale. Chin draws in. Inhale, come all the way up above, reaching your arms up. As you bring your hands together in front of your heart, releasing your palms to your sides. Good. Now we're going to speed it up just a little bit more, and we're going to get 2 more of these. So readjusting your pants or your feet. From here, deep, long inhale, reaching your arms up above. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, release. Inhale, moving into plank. Exhale, fully. Inhale, reach. Exhale, lower. All the way down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Reaching that chest forward. Relaxing those shoulders onto your back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bending into both of your knees. Look up at your hands. Step or jump forward. Exhale. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, release. Chin draws in. Inhale, come all the way up to standing, reaching your arms up above. Exhale as you bring your hands together in front of your heart. Releasing your palms to your sides. Last one. Inhale, reach up. Exhale as you fold. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, release. Inhale, step back into plank. Relaxing those shoulders. Inhale, reach forward, coming right onto your toes. Exhale, lower down. All the way down. Untuck your toes. Inhale when you're ready, upward facing dog. Option to come into cobra if you wish. Holding here. Try not to collapse. Exhale, downward facing dog. And breathe. Bending into both of your knees. Look up at your hands. Step or jump forward. Exhale. Fold. Inhale as you look forward. Exhale. Inhale, come all the way up to standing, reaching your arms up above. As you exhale, bring your hands together in front of your heart. As you release your palms to your sides. Good. That is day 2. Let's come all the way down onto our mat. So here I simply invite you to notice where you are at, where your body is, where your mind is, even where your breath is. So allow yourself to close your eyes, normalizing the breath, placing your right palm over top of your belly, left palm over top of your heart. With your eyes closed, we're drawing in. Avoiding any other stimulation that our eyes will be drawn to. And just simply drawing your attention towards your breath. Noticing the movement in your belly with your right palm. And the movement of your heart beating with your left. Relaxing those hips. And the muscles of your face. Just breathe here. Allow yourself to stay here until your breath comes back to its normal rhythm. Slowly release your palms and blink your eyes open. Have a wonderful rest of your day or evening. Thank you so much for practicing with me. And I will catch you in day number 3 tomorrow.